fucking hell, Tell, look at that. Oh, fucking hell, Tell. What the fuck? It's the same thing with Bumbleclot. You can see something in both of you, but it's a Bumbleclot as a surprise, like Bumbleclot.
Right.
You got to move your Bumbleclot better.
Right.
In an
So you
angry
can use
way.
it any way you want.
You can use it in any way you want.
Got it.
Yeah.
So anybody that's ever wanted
And the
to learn...
Rasclot is the same as Bumbleclot. So the Rasclot. Oh, Rasclot. It could be good, it could be bad.
I'm loving this conversation because people that are watching this will now understand the difference. You'll probably have everyone going
See them laughing in the
calling their
background.
mums,
Blood
arse
clot.
clot, bumper clots, pussy clots. They'd be like, every clot, do you know what I mean?
Clot. Bumbleclot, pussy clot.
Is it? So how many clots is there? There's a pussy
So
clot,
yeah,
blood clot.
Bumbleclot, blood clot, pussy clot, Rasclot. Bumper, pussy, Rasclot.
Oh, that's it.
Bumper,
I love
stinking
that one.
pussy.
Bumper, pussy, rascal. That's when you're really ramping it
Bumper,
up.
pussy, Rasclot. That's the ultimate one there. Bumper, pussy, Rasclot.